Magandang buhay everyone. Magandang buhay, Chair. My name is Junalyn D. Calyao from Grade 12 India, and I am the one of the reporter of Group 5. My topic is all about Buddhism in the world today. And I start. As of 2015, 6.9% of the world population, 500 million, are Buddhists. Most of the Buddhists in the world reside in Asia. Among the three variants of Buddhism, Mahanaya is the most widespread because it is practiced in countries that have a significant number of Buddhists. This followed by Theravada Buddhism because of its prevalence in Southeast Asia and, and Sri Lanka. Varanaya Buddhism practiced in Tibet and some other Central Asian countries is third. So, so Mahanaya Buddhism is the most widespread branch practiced by over half of the world Buddhists. It is the dominant in East Asian countries with very large Buddhist population, including China, Japan, South Korea, and Vietnam. Theravada Buddhism is the second largest branch with a strong prevalence in Southeast Asia, including Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Sri Lanka. Varanaya Buddhism, sometimes referred to as Northern Buddhism or Tibetan Buddhism, is the third branch practiced primarily in Tibet, Mongolia, Bhutan, and parts of Russia. So, according to global population projections, Buddhism will slightly decline at 7% relative to the global population by 2060. This is because of the rapidly aging population in the countries where most Buddhism live. So, the Buddhist population is the Philippines is small. It has remained at 1% of the population since the 1948 Philippine census and has been confined mainly among the Filipino-Chinese population. So, so Buddhism is a minor religion in the Philippines. A recent nationwide census in 2020 showed that the number of Buddhists in the country was at 39,158 adherent out of the 112.2 million Philippines population, or roughly 0.03% of the national population, the lowest in Southeast Asia. This much lower to what was initially estimated by a presenter the United Nations in 2026, where it was initially thought to be the at 2%. Buddhism is practiced by native Filipinos, Filipinos of Indian descent, and by Filipinos of Chinese descent. The number of Buddhists in the country has been dwindling due to the lack or the no significant presence of Buddhist missionary works where the teaching of the Buddha are translated and taught to be the native regional language. Unlike Christian missionaries which have expanded in the country further, Buddhist missionaries tend to be lax and less assertive, thus ineffective Because of the lack of the Buddhist missionaries, Filipino who would like to convert to Buddhism find it hard to locate trained Buddhists who would help them in self-conversion. So, among the cities, Metro Manila has the highest concentration of Buddhists in the country and the larger number of temples. Other cities such as Cebu, Iloilo, and Davao also have a considerable number of Buddhism. And that's all. Thank you.